Here is our very supportive assistant for administrative and student affairs coordinator. Please welcome Mr. Edward C. Chun.
Dr. Godin, so with your permission, I now declare the 88th Foundation Anniversary Celebration of Chinese General Hospital College of Nursing and Liberal Arts open.